Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you some more insights into the analytics activation section of the Corbado Connect Management Console. At Corbado, we constantly try to optimize for 3 core KPIs. It's about increasing the Passkey activation rate, increasing the Passkey usage rate, and decreasing the Passkey error rate. And for activation, as the name already states, we are here trying to increase the activation rate of Passkeys. And by having these insights, it's a good way to actually see if something's off, if we see some in new operating system version or updates, some drop in the append rates or activation rates, and if there's something we should really actively work against. So when we take a look at the total overview, we see 3 charts. The first one gives an overview of the different append rates. The append rate is the share of users who have created a passkey when they saw an append or create screen. And we will not only have that as a relative number split by the 2 platforms, web and iOS app, in the demo data set, but also as an absolute numbers here on the right-hand side. On the bottom, we also see the user activation rate, and the user activation rate basically shows of our entire user base who have passed the Corbado system, how many have at least one passkey created, and the higher the number, the better, because more of these users can then subsequently use the passkey to log in. So let's now go into the different operating systems so we can compare how these rates actually differ. When we go into the web, we see that there is, again, on the top left, an append rate. And in here, we also see how many users have actually created a passkey on the append screen number 2, 3, 4, and 5 plus. So sometimes these users don't need to, or they don't want to create a passkey the first time they see it, but they need a second, third, or fourth screen until they finally decide to create one. Still, what we see in this demo data set that even on the 4th screen, there's a double-digit percentage of users who create a passkey. We can also see that then here on the right-hand side in absolute numbers, and all this data is then again split by the different operating system versions. And we can then see, okay, hey, how are iOS users, for instance, comparing with more than 60% append rate on the first append screen versus Android, Windows, which is naturally a bit lower, and also macOS. So it's a great way also to spot any flaws in certain operating systems and detect issues that we can proactively then work on so that other users don't see these issues. For iOS app, in this case, we can get the same statistics. So there's, again, the append rates on the top left where we see how these compare on the different number of append screens that they see. And again, that in absolute numbers. So overall, the Passkeys analytics activation section, it's great to get insights into the activation and append rates, see if there's something off with certain operating system versions, and really get the confidence to roll out Passkeys at scale and ultimately increase the adoption of Passkeys.